Hey guys, so I wanted to talk to you about how to stop self-sabotaging yourself financially. So here's number one. Build a relationship with your bank statement. Most people are afraid to look at their bank statement. Most people are afraid to look at their online banking because they will realize that they have a terrible relationship with money. The first thing that you have to do is have a good old conversation with your bank statement. Pull out a pen and paper, pull out some highlighters and say, hey, this is where I'm overspending. This is where I'm messing up my finance and my future self is not going to be happy. So number two, before you make any purchases of over £100, wait for 24 hours. Wait for some time because it's probably an impulse. It's probably something you don't really need. Now, I know there's that battle of, hey, if I've got the money, I should be able to spend it. But if you're trying to prepare for the future, if you're trying to save, if you're trying to improve your finance, then maybe you've got to consider before you spend anything, you wait a little bit. Number three, stop trying to impress Instagram. Now, this is the craziest one. Many of us try and impress a bunch of people that we don't know, that don't care about us, that probably don't have any money either. Stop trying to impress people online. Before you buy anything to impress a bunch of people, think about it. Are they really going to be impressed? Do they really care? Is this helping my future self? And the answer is no. Number four, you need to create a financial plan. What do I want to achieve? What is my goal? How much do I need in the future? What sort of life do I want to live? And then create a plan and stick to that plan. Number five, save, save, save. This is the one thing that so many people don't do because you think you're going to be okay and you think you've still got enough time and you think you're still going to be getting paid your salary. But the reality is we don't know what's going to happen. And COVID-19 is a perfect example of not knowing what's going to happen in the future. And in the future, it might not be another pandemic. It might just be something smaller, such as a redundancy, or you get fired from your job, or your business loses a contract. So again, save, save, save. Number six, start investing early. Start investing early. You are not too young and you are not too old to start investing. If you want to make money, if you want to protect your future, if you want to build a legacy, you've got to do it by using your money to make more money. So start learning about investments, whether it's a simple bank account which pays you 0.00 interest, but at least start learning about investments now. Number seven, stop buying things that you don't need. Simple as simple. I don't need to explain that. Don't buy things you don't need. Simple.